In this video, I will show you how to chat on PS5 Roblox. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on my PS5 dashboard. Now the best way to go ahead and chat to someone on Roblox, basically if I jump into Roblox, when you're in game, you can actually start a PlayStation party. So what you want to do is go ahead and press the PlayStation button on your controller. So that's this one here. Then if you come down and you want to go across until you see this icon here called Game Base. Now if you go ahead and press X onto Game Base, what you can do is go ahead and first of all you can search for players. So what you can do is try put in their username into here to find them on obviously the PlayStation Network, and once you've done that you can come back into your game base and then you can start a party just by coming to this option here and pressing start party. Now what you need to do is go and start an open party, or you can do closed if you just want invited players to join. So what you would do is basically click onto any of these options, whichever you want. Then you can do things like, for example, you can change your party name and you can add people to this chat. So once you've added them from Roblox, what you would do is click here where it says invite players. And then, of course, when they've accepted your friend request, you can go ahead, add them to your party from here and chat to them using the PlayStation Party feature. So if you want to message them instead, so you don't have a headset or something like that, then there is also an option from here, as you can see down here, where you can actually type messages as well. So you would come here, click onto new message, and again, once your friends accepted your request, you would come here, select your friend from the list, and you would be able to go ahead and message them on here. So that is how to chat on PS5 Roblox. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.